Good morning, world. I just took a shower and I am ready to pack my backpack. Where is it? Oh, it's over there. For the trip to Manila. Waiting for my taxi. Decided to go to the airport early. Don't want to miss or skip anything. Here's me in the taxi. The first plan I had was to take a bus, but after spending some time searching for the bus stop, people there encouraged me to take a Grab instead. In spite of this, I didn't want to take a taxi until a woman told me that I should be careful. And so I ended up taking a Grab. Yeah. Are you Filipino or not?
Yeah, I'm half Filipino.
You told me like you eat rice for the breakfast.
Guess I'm European now.
Oh, got it. Yes, because it doesn't seem like a rice at all.
Well, no choice here.
Here I am in the hotel. We are in Intramuros, which is an old city. It reminds me a little bit of not Spain, like what? It reminds me kind of like South American countries, kind of like Mexico, but I never been there. Anyway, it's beautiful. So here's like Fort Santiago, and yeah, I have no idea what it is. But yeah, let's walk. Let's see what it is. Why do you sit here in that case?
It's not next to the river.
But just
above
enjoy
the-
right now. Enjoy.
Okay. Right now, doing was fine. Manila and have a lot of country come and whole categories. So see you everybody in there. We will meet up here from Manila.
Oh, it's also from the Lego. Is it from the Lego? Oh. Are you Bob?
I'm a buck. I'm a buck.
Bub, 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 bub.
I got you. Thank you, guys. Oh, what is a panda food? Oh, it's a grill. It's a restaurant. It's still open. Oh, but it's still early.
Then the tutorial,
Trying to find a space where we're going to session, but I have no idea. It doesn't seem like that.
Oh, the Krump is the.
I cannot hear.
Yeah.
Oh no! Listen, oh my son. I heard it. It's nobody there. Oh, hello.
Oh, your back, my back, my back.
Yeah, your back.
My back.
Haha.
He don't smoke, bro. Yeah.